matrix part. Okay, bahagian matrix, pendaraban matrix, sorry, matrix multiplications. Okay, so yeah, let me share screen first. Wait now, guys. My laptop a bit lag. Okay. Okay, guys. So we start. Can you all see the screen, guys? Can okay. Uh, okay. So today we will start on the recap part. Okay, recap of the bab 2. Okay, for matrix. Okay, ulang kaji lah, in other words. Alright, wait now, let me try to restart. Okay, so I prepare few questions to go through the last week lesson. Okay, so yeah, so here is for the last week lesson. Okay, so first question, guys, what is 3/4 times with this matrix I write over here? Can you all try to do and see and tell the answer? Cuba buat. So when you get the answer, tell me ya, bila dapat jawapan. So anyone got the answer already? Can you all share? You have to type out for me in the order like this one. You type out like A, B, C, D. You read like this from from left to right, then left to right, your answer. You can type one by one also if you're not confident lah. So anyone, guys, can you all comment the answer for this question? Jawapan dia apa? Okay, I got answer already. Okay, negative 3/4, 15/4, 9/2, and also 27/4. Correct. Okay, so this is what we learned last week on the matrix multiplication. Okay, pendaraban matrix. Okay, very good. Angela, correct also? Yes, very good. Okay, so this is how we do it. Okay, guys. So you got matrix like this, right? So how do we darab masuk? So basically, 3/4 you must times to each of the element. Okay, all the element here you must times with 3/4. So you will get 3/4 times -1, -3/4. 3/4 times 6, you will get 9/2. And then 3/4 times 5, you will get 15/4. And then 3/4 times 9, you will get 27/4. Okay, guys, you can leave your answer in fraction if you want also. Okay, no problem. Or if you don't want, got second option for you. What is the second option, guys? Can you all tell? If I don't want fraction, what other way I can write my answer? Apa kaedah lain saya boleh guna? Anyone know? Yes. Okay, you can use the decimal method. Okay, so basically negative 0.75 and then 4.5 and then uh 3.75 and then let me press the last one, 27 over 4, 6.75. Okay, so both both answer is also accepted. Dua-dua jawapan pun diterima. Okay, depends on your preference lah, which one you want to write. Okay, so do you all understand, guys? The first question, how to solve? This is the basic on matrix multiplication that you all must understand. Okay, this is the basic question. Okay, so we continue to the second question. Okay, so the second question looks like this. Okay, they give you the D, the matrix D, dia macam ni, it looks like this. So mereka suruh cari 3D and also negative half D. So how do we do this, guys? Basically, it's the same concept like what you do above only. Nothing changed. Okay, maintain the same concept only. Alright, so guys, we show on the next page. Okay, so the first one you want to find is 3D. Okay, so guys, can you all try and see what will be the answer? Okay, for this question lah, I show down here first. Part 1, bahagian 1 first. So anyone? Okay, negative 15, 12, 6, 3. Okay, very good, correct. Okay, that is the correct answer. Alright, so wait, okay. So basically how you do the working is, you will take 3 multiply with the matrix D. Okay, so matrix D is negative 5, 2, 4, 1. Okay, so basically the concept exactly the same. 3 times negative 5, negative 15, 3 times 2, 6, 3 times 4, 12, 3 times 1 is 3. So this is your final answer. Okay, so how about negative half D, guys? What will be the answer for the second part? Okay, 2.5, negative 2, negative 1, and then 0.5. 0.5 got negative, right? The last one. Can you check again? I think the last one got negative. I think I didn't see. Oh, okay, you put negative. Okay, because I cannot see the answer in the laptop because my this thing cannot connect, so it will go through very fast. Okay, so very good. So negative half D, basically you just need to multiply negative half inside only. So it's exactly the same. So this one you will get. Okay, over here you can choose to use decimal 2.5 also can. Okay, you can write 5 over 2 or 2.5 also accepted. Okay, diterima. So then this one negative half times 2, negative 1, negative half times 4, negative 2, and then negative half times negative half times 1 is negative 0.5. So this is your final answer. Okay, guys, understand? So the first two question is basically what we learned last week lah, the basic on the matrix multiplication. Okay, never come to the proper part yet, but this is the basic. Okay, so now third question. Do you all still remember I told you all on this laws, the associative law? Do you all still remember last week lesson, the concept I explained? So can anyone tell what is associative law? This one in the textbook also got for matrix. So this one is more about objective lah. So anyone want to explain? You can type in simple word associative law. What it means. If you don't know, you can angkat tangan. Don't worry. If don't know, no problem. I can explain again. Okay. So don't know, I explain, okay. Okay, wait, people tell already. Okay, very good. Misha, correct. Okay, so guys, associative law is basically this concept. Okay, the concept is A plus B plus C is equal to, sorry, A plus B. This is the format for associative law. Okay, so basically, in other words, you just assume like normal plus and minus that you do since primary school. You will do something like this, correct? So guys, you try and see. These two are equal, right? So this is the meaning of associative law lah. 2 plus 5 plus 3 is the same as 3 plus 2 plus 5. Okay, the only difference here is priority. What I mean by priority is the number in the bracket. Number in bracket must do first. Okay, dalam kurungan kena diutamakan. So that's the first step. Second step is the number outside the bracket, di luar kurungan. Okay, guys, do you all get it? So this is the meaning for associative law. Okay, you can use a simple example like 2 plus 5 plus 3 equal to 3 plus 2 plus 5 to understand. Okay, this is the concept. Okay, so next one, commutative law. What is the meaning for commutative law? This one I know most of y'all never memorize lah because it's a very short part only in the topic, but just in case only. So anyone want to explain? Okay, can. Angela, you can type and see. Okay, A plus B equals to B plus A. Yes, correct. Okay, that is the commutative law. Very good. Okay, so commutative law, the concept is, I use different color. Okay, A plus B is equal to B plus A. This is the concept for the commutative law. Okay, so okay, this is for addition. Okay, commutative law, guys, got also on the subtraction part. So basically, if you subtract two matrices like this, right, A minus B is not equal to B minus A. This is what you must understand under commutative law for matrices. Okay, addition and subtraction. Addition will be the same, subtraction will not be the same. So guys, how to understand this in a simpler way? If I don't want to talk about matrix, very simple. 2 plus 3 is equal to 3 plus 2. I'm sure all of you here agree, right? Okay, semua setuju perkara ini. Common sense. Okay, 5 is equal to 5. But if you try and see, guys, subtraction. 2 minus 3. Is it equal to 3 minus 2, guys? Can you all tell me? Yes or no? For the second part. It shouldn't be, right? Okay, this one's supposed to be not equal. Okay, 2 minus 3 is actually not equal to 3 minus 2 because 2 minus 3 you get negative 1. 3 minus 2 you get 1. So same thing apply for the matrices over here. Matrix pun concept sama. You won't get an equal value. Okay, guys? Can you all understand the commutative law? Okay, this is what you all must understand over here. Okay? So next one now. Okay, forgot. Just now I forgot something. For associative law, right? There is also subtraction part. Okay, let me show you down here. I forget on the subtraction part. Okay, so for associative law, just now one, the subtraction part basically is like this. Okay, A minus B minus C is not equal to A minus B minus C. Okay, can you all understand what I write, guys? You can test and see. Okay, left hand side is A minus B minus C. The right hand side, it is actually A minus B plus C. Okay, so basically it's just like normal numbers only. So you can use the same concept like just now. Okay, 3 plus 2 plus 5 equal to 5 plus 2 plus 3. This is for the top one. And then for the, wait, okay, this is for top one. And then for the bottom one, maybe you can use example like 5 minus 2 minus 3 is not equal to ya become 5. Oh, Bowen, I'm just using a random example to help you understand only. Okay, to understand the concept of the associative law. So I just use random number to show you why is it like that. Okay, in reality, this concept apply to matrices, but I'm assuming now the matrix is just one number. Can you get it? So this one I'm doing here, so that I don't need to draw a matrix and make it more complicated for you all. Okay, but usually in exam they won't ask you like this one lah. This is just theory part only, so no need to worry so much on this. Okay, for yes, correct. Okay guys, I think you all heard of this, right? Who heard of this? BOD MAS. I'm sure you all heard of this, right? Yes, so the first bracket is, the first one is stand for bracket, BODMAS. The first thing is the priority, which is the bracket. So that's why we solve bracket first. Even in matrix, this concept also apply. Okay, dalam bab ni kita guna BODMAS juga. Not only for normal subtraction addition, but it also apply over here. Okay, so for this part, you can write it like this: 5 minus 2 minus 3. Okay, wait, try to find some space. I write down. Okay, guys, do you get it? For the two laws so far, this is associative. The bottom one is the commutative law. Okay, these are the two laws so far. Okay, so the last one, distributive law. Can anyone explain what distributive law tell you? Sorry if I make it suddenly like a sejarah lesson, guys. You see undang-undang suddenly come in mathematics, but these are the only three things you need to know. Okay. Okay, guys. Distributive law. Can anyone explain? Don't be shy. Okay, cuba sahaja. Try only. Wrong doesn't matter. If you forget, you angkat tangan. If you lupa the law already, you angkat tangan. At least I know. Okay, so I might explain to you all. Okay, so distributive law, basically what they say is this one. HA plus B is equal to HA plus HB. I think this is common sense, right, guys, to y'all? Yes, correct. Like what Misha, right? Okay, exactly the same like that. Okay, so you can use any alphabet you like lah. You can use ABC, you can use HAB, doesn't matter. Okay, as long it show the concept. All right, so same thing. HA minus B, you are going to get HA minus HB. Okay, this is for addition. This is for subtraction. Okay, you can always see guys, all the three laws, right? Kesemua tiga undang-undang, dia berhubung kait dengan penambahan dan penolakan. It relates to addition and subtraction. All the three laws over here. Okay, so now, would question ask? No, no such thing. Okay, they won't ask use this law or that law. Okay, never seen so far. Okay, if they want to ask, they ask in objective only. What is the meaning? What is explained by associative law? Then they will keluar something like this lah. Then you have to choose the correct answer. That's all. Okay, paper 2 won't have. Don't worry. Okay, yeah, knowledge only lah. In other words, for y'all. Okay, but let's say lah, if you want to memorize in a simpler way, okay, maybe I can try to find a simpler way for you. Okay, so basically you just look at the word associative. So guys, now suddenly come to English lesson. Can you all tell me what does associative mean in English? Very simple. I can show you already. Can anyone explain in another word what is the meaning for associative? Associative mean what? Yes. Okay, what is related? Correct. So basically the word is related. So guys, if you see over here, look at all these brackets. Guys, you must understand one thing. Whenever something is in a bracket, right? In other words, it means that they are related. Okay, that's why we put them in a bracket. Am I right? Means that it has priority. Priority means both of them are related. Correct? So very simple. I give you an example, live example for you all. Okay, I insert page. So guys, let's say okay, 5 people. Okay, this is the situation, daily life situation. Attend a function. Okay, whatever function lah, I don't know. Okay, so guys, got YAB. I think you all know all these, right? Got YDPA, got PM, got okay lah, 2 other people. Okay, any other 2 people. So guys, can you all tell me who is the VVIP in this scenario? Can you all comment? I want to make you understand the associative law. Okay, correct. Okay, this will give priority YDPA. Of course lah, Agong is on top. Okay, second, who will give priority? Yes. Okay, this first, this second, this will be third, and then this will be the fourth and fifth. Correct? So guys, now we have 2 groups. Correct? All of this is the VVIP and VIP. This is the orang biasa, normal people. So guys, can you see that all these 3 are related in a certain way because they are the VVIP? And this one, these 2 are all related and they are the normal people, okay, orang biasa. So this is what is being explained by the associative law on top here. Can you all try to relate and see, guys, why they call it associative law? Because they are connected in one bracket, just like what I show you just now. VVIP all in one bracket, satu kumpulan, normal people all in satu kumpulan. Understand, guys? Can you understand now the associative law? If I explain like this, I think it's better to understand, right? Okay, so remember, associative means ada kurungan. There is a bracket. In other words, mean got priority. Okay, for the bracket. So this is the easy way to remember for associative. Tak perlu hafal. Just remember the situation only. Yes, correct. Okay, the related is shown by the bracket. Yes. Okay. So next one, how to understand commutative law? Okay, guys. Again, look at the word. Commutative means what? Can you all tell me? What is mean by commutative in English? No need to talk maths now. We talk English. What you mean by sub, Hakim? Sub is, you mean branch, is it? Oh, substitution, is it? Okay. Oh, okay. So basically, not really lah. Commutative, let me think and see. Okay, it comes from the word commutate. So commutative basically come from commutate. Correct? Yes, correct. Okay, it's pertukaran. So guys, why do they say pertukaran? Very simple, guys. I use the next page again. So guys, this is the second law. So commutative or commutate basically mean you go from one place to another. This is the meaning of commutate. Am I right, guys? In English, you ambil transport to commutate from one place to another. Means this is like moving. Or you can say like what Angela say, pertukaran. Okay, in BM. Pertukaran. Yeah. But you can assume like this lah. Correct. I think it's commute if not mistaken. Yeah, but the meaning is something like this lah. You have to memorize in this way so that easier. Okay, we cannot like directly use the English word. They modify a bit. Okay, so you can assume it as pertukaran lah. So why they say pertukaran here, guys? If you look at the equation, can you see that A and B? Am I up first? Okay, can you see A and B? They switch the place. Dia tukar kedudukan. So that is the meaning of commutate. Okay, so you can see here A minus B, B minus A, tukar kedudukan, switch position, or in other words, moving. So that is the commutative law. Okay, clear? This is the second one. Third one, very easy. Distributive law. What does distribute mean, guys? Apa maksud distribute in English? Yes. So as what Hakim say lah, pengagihan. Okay, distribution. So guys, can you see that the H is distributed to two matrices, which is A and B. So that is why we call it distributive law. We distribute the H to two separate matrices to get the answer. No need to explain because objective only. Okay, this one won't come out structure one. Don't worry. Okay, objective they won't ask you to explain. They'll ask which one show the correct law only. Then you choose A, B, C, D. That's all. Okay. If you want to tikam, also can tikam lah. This one mark only. Okay, no point to focus so much on it. Okay, so next one, okay, so guys, what is zero matrix? Can you all tell me? I think this one should be easy. The word itself explain it already. Don't confuse, guys. This one common mistake. It doesn't mean no matrix. Yes, there is all zero. Okay, zero matrix means like this. It doesn't mean there is nothing, guys. There is an element in the matrix. The element is zero. Okay, don't think when you put zero means nothing inside there. There is something actually. If nothing, they will write the matrix like this without anything inside. This is what we call as nothing. This one got something. So you must differentiate between these two. Okay, perkara yang berbeza. Okay, guys. So this is the number 6. Yes, if you want to use more professional term, is null matrix lah, the one that is blank. Yes. Okay. So next one, guys. So next one, we're going to apply a bit on the matrix part. Okay, how to, wow, you search Google, is it, Nicholas? The answer is like so professional. Look like Google type out only. Yeah, unless you're really good at English, then you type like that lah. Okay. Okay, so next one, number 7, the average number of vehicle. Okay, so they give you a table lah, something like this. Oh, okay, not bad. So now the question is, calculate the number of vehicles parked at the parking area in a week. Okay, guys. So don't tell me you do like this, guys. You simply go and plus all the values, then you tell me the answer. Okay, that method is wrong, guys. You must make sure that you solve using matrix method. Okay, must use matrix method. The answer is you must use matrix method over here. Okay, must use matrix method to solve this question. Cannot just simply plus like you like. Okay, so guys, first question. What is the order of matrix you're going to use over here? Can you all tell me? Apa peringkat matrix kamu akan guna? Apa kali apa? I think you can notice it directly from the question itself. Yes, okay, you can see that there is 2 row, 2 column. So means that is 2 times 2 matrix. Okay, dua baris, dua lajur. Yes, correct. Okay, so now guys, this one represents per day. Now we got 5 days. So what we must do, guys? We need to times with 5. Okay, because there is 5 working days. Okay, so basically, okay, wait, let me see this one. Okay, I understand already. So guys, you must careful here. Table X, this one is for weekdays, means from Monday to Friday, Isnin sampai Jumaat. This one is for weekend. Okay, Sabtu Ahad, Saturday, Sunday. Okay, so guys, can I ask you all, weekday got how many days? This one if you salah, kamu tak payah datang kelas saya dah. Berapa hari kerja kita ada? Yes. Kamu kerja. Wah, bagusnya kerja Sabtu Ahad juga. Respect. Okay. Yang ni, this one is what? Asian culture. Okay. Budaya Asia. Suka kerja sangat. Okay. Budaya Barat hanya 5 hari saja. Mungkin potong pun mereka nak. Okay. Because Asian like to work hard. Okay. Saya buat kerja rumah hari-hari. Okay lah, maybe you, I can say 7 days, 1 week working hours. Okay. Okay, so weekend. How many weekend we have? Okay, should be 2. Okay, so that is why. Can you all tell me, guys, over here, how should I represent the matrix here to get the total vehicle in 1 week? What will be the equation now? If I want you to form one equation. So anyone? You got 5 weekdays? Okay, very good. Nicholas, correct. 5x plus 2y. Actually, stop there enough already. Okay, just 5x plus 2y only. Okay, the information of x and y, you can get it from the table. Okay, based on the table over here. So basically, you just isikan only. Ikut the jadwal. 42, 20, 8, just copy only. 11 plus because we want to find total. Okay, then weekend we have 2, and then all the element you just copy inside only. 25, 12, 5, 3. Okay, so should be able to solve this, right? So can anyone tell what will be your final answer here after you multiply everything? You can tell one by one if you like also. Okay, yes. 210. Okay, 40 correct. 100 correct. Last one. Wait, Bowen, I will show you in a while. Okay, correct. Okay, second one. Okay, next. Okay, very good. Last. Okay, perfect. Okay, so then you calculate this one. Final answer you should get 260, 50, 124, and also 61. Okay, guys, do you understand how to solve this application question? They can ask like this in the exam. This is what we call as application question. Okay, you don't just solve directly. Soalan akan bagi situasi kat kamu and you have to answer it. Okay, this is the type of indirect question lah. Okay, so Bowen, you already got the question? Okay, wait now. By the way, I realized null is the German word. Oh, really? Yeah. Okay, something new I learned today. Okay. Yes, I will send this PDF after the class. How to know must use matrix method? Bowen, because the topic here I teaching is matrix lah. If not, why I create this question? Okay, we are in matrix class, so that's why you will know one. The question will tell in the exam. Okay, trust me. This kind of question you can already notice they're going to ask you on matrix already. They will say by using matrix method, surely. Then only the student will know which method to solve. If not, the student will just do normal multiplication and then find the answer. But that one cannot. Okay. Wow. Hakim is the new linguist in our class lah. Any language problem, I will refer to you, Hakim. From now on, any language problem in the maths question, I straight away refer to you. Okay. Now I found the right person already. Okay. So next one, guys. Okay. So now we are going to combine two parts, which is the plus that you learned earlier, together with the times, which you learned last week, into one operation, one shot. You have to solve this kind of question. Okay, guys. So are you all ready to take the challenge? Okay, so this one, I want final answer only. I don't want halfway. I want you all to take your time, solve, and then tell me what is your final answer for part A first. Okay, make you all feel more confident that you all can solve lah, rather than doing one by one. So slowly do. Remember, guys, accuracy important. Fast is not important. Accurate answer is important. Okay. If anyone got problem halfway stuck, don't know how to solve, please tell so that I know which part to explain for the part A. Man, the numbers are tightly written. Yeah, cause I squeeze it a bit. Usually in exam they will print far apart so that it's easier for y'all to see. And usually when you write in the exam also must write far apart so that it's easier to be distinguished. Do I have to can the one what do you mean? Can the one over? You mean cancel, is it? Sorry, keep on going up. You can directly use the negative 1 over 2 also. If you want to change to negative 0.5 also can, if you feel less confusing when you do the time sync. Wow, Angela get the D. So let me see. Angela, this one is for final answer, is it? For this whole part A question. Eh? Angela, one thing I want to ask lah. Your final answer, what is the order for your matrix? What order you get for the answer you wrote to me? Because I cannot really see how is it arranged. I think you get 2 times 2, right? If not mistaken, your answer. Based on what I see lah. Okay, one tips lah, guys. If you see this kind of question, right? Can you all tell me first your answer, right? You should expect what is the order for your matrix for your final answer. What should be your order for matrix for part 8A final answer? Without any numbers first, you all tell me what will be the peringkat matrix. Okay, Hakim got a D. Let me see. 7, 14, 16. Okay, negative 2, 2. Okay, Hakim, one mistake only. Your third element is wrong. Okay, maybe you try again and see. Okay, 7, 14. Okay, good, good. 16, good. Ife, third element wrong. Same like Hakim. Rest all correct. The third one only. I think very small difference only. I think you just count wrongly or something. Very close already. Okay, next one. 7, 16. Nicholas second element wrong. And then, sorry. Yeah, second element wrong. And then the rest is correct. Nicholas, you third element is 2, is it? For your answer. The one you type for me. Do you mean the third? Okay, third is not 2. Okay, Hakim 15. Not 15.5 Hakim. Try again. 33 over 2. Let me count and see. 33 over 2. Okay, correct already. I face answer correct already. Okay, guys. So your final answer, let me type out lah, so that it's easier for you all to see. If not, you all also pening already. 17, 14, 16.5, negative 2, and then 2, negative 19. Okay, guys, this is the answer. Okay, I type out from left to right, guys. So my final product, the final order for the matrix is 3 times 2 matrix. Okay, so means 7, 14 on top, first row. Second row is 16.5, negative 2. Third row is 2 and negative 19. Okay, guys? So the rest of you, can you all understand, or do you all manage to get the answer for those who tried? Okay, that should be the final answer lah. I think most of you almost there already based on what I see. Only certain small mistake only. Okay, so never mind. I show to you all how to do it. Okay, so for part A, wait, let me see the question first. Okay, so now, so basically the question is, I start directly from the working lah. So you will get, you times 5 to each of the element. Okay, so you will get something like this. All right, you just times 5 to every single element because the first number you must times inside. So you will get something like this. Okay, and then you plus with this one, you just copy 518, and then this one. Okay, over here, you can take the number 1 over 2 as 0.5, and then you multiply inside to every single number. Okay, 0.5 multiply 9, 0.5 multiply negative 6. The negative you maintain outside, don't bring the negative inside. Okay, 0.52, 0.5 negative 4, 0.5, and 14. Okay, guys, are you all clear how I solve this? So if you tekan calculator, you should get the final answer like this: 7, 14, 16.5, negative 2, 2, 19. Okay, guys, clear how to solve it? Sorry, this one got negative. Okay, so yeah, basically just press calculator, you can get the answer already. Okay, so next one. So next one, bahagian B. Sorry. Okay, bahagian B is simpler. So can you all try and see? This one only 2 times 2 matrix. So it should be simpler. Yes, correct. Always you all read the row first, then only read the column. So 2 row, 2 column means 2 times 2. If you all confused, right, the mnemonic, right, I use a simple acronym for you all to remember. Wait, I type here. Okay, guys, if you all forget, right, what is the easy way to remember? This is what I used to memorize. Which one comes first? Use the mnemonic red crescent. Okay, row column means red, the starting letter is R. So the first one you must read is the row. Okay, second thing you must read is the column, red crescent. Okay, so then you will understand better. Is this question same method as the A1? Yes, same method exactly. Only thing the the order of matrix change. Okay, let me check and see. 5, negative 1, negative. Okay, Haida, last one only wrong. Can you check the last one? The fourth number. The rest is correct. Come on, guys. Suba. The rest of y'all. Okay. Angela, you mean for the last number, is it? Yes, very good. Okay, the answer is 2.1. The last number should be 2.1, correct? Okay, so basically, you can solve like this. Okay, so basically you just times inside normal method. So this one, okay. Who so far feel like matrix chapter you don't like? Angkat tangan. Siapa rasa tak suka bab ni? Just want to see lah. Oh, ada. Ah? Okay, means the rest who never angkat, you like the chapter lah. In other words, okay. So 0.2, 10. You times the 0.2 inside to every number. Negative 25, 0.28, tutup, plus, okay. Over here, 1 over 5 is actually 0.2. Okay, at least better than chapter 3 and 4, agree. Okay. But guys, who here feel like they like to sambung in the bidang like economy, business law or whatever? Angkat tangan after SPM. Who like to study economics, accounts or business after SPM? Siapa kat sini suka? Anyone? Okay, finance also masuk lah. Anything related to money. Who like to study after SPM? Okay, God also. Means that if you like that kind of chapter, means your chapter 3 and 4 must be strong lah. That is the basic. Okay, it will help you all a lot in your future career. Insurance, taxation, all those topics you all must be strong one. If you want to do something about finance or anything like that. Okay. I think a bit also got. Maybe you can try ask the account students lah. Account is more of like the Form 4 Chapter 10. Remember guys, your Form 4 Chapter 10 maths, they'll ask you to count draw the table, all that. I think account is more on that. Yes, you have to construct table, plan kewangan, all that. So that is more on the account part. Okay, yeah, something like that, savings and all that. You have to count the cash flow, all that, aliran tunai, all those stuff. Okay, so if you plus these two metrics, guys, your final answer should be 5, negative 2.2, negative 1, 2.1. Okay, this is your final answer. Okay, guys, do you all understand for part A and part B how to solve it? Okay, you can see that the operation become more complex already because we involve plus and minus one shot. Last time you all learned plus only or minus, but now we combine something like operasi bergabung lah. Okay, combine operation. All right. So next one now, guys. So next question. Okay, so the first question. This one I know you all can solve one, but can I ask you all, what is this law? Got question asked like this, guys. So don't get shocked when you see modern maths also got something to show. Okay, not only at maths, modern maths also have. Okay. So what is this law? Can anyone remember still based on what I explained just now? Try to think of the concept I showed just now. C. What is C? Oh, commutative you mean? Okay, wait. Okay. So basically, no idea. You are. Okay. The answer is associative. Okay, it's not commutative, guys. It's associative. Remember, guys, associative, how to remember? Priority. Priority is where? In the bracket. Associative mean is related. Always remember this, guys. Associative means dia ada hubung kait, related. So it means that you must put them in the bracket when they are related. Understand, guys? Remember the situation I told you all, VVIP and also the normal people. This is the method you all use to remember the associative law. Ingat yang ni, so that you all don't forget. Okay, but in this question, you no need to remember lah because they never ask you what law is it. They ask you to solve the question only. Okay, so basically you no need to know what type of law. I just asked an extra question. Okay, so now guys, how do we how do we solve this question? What is your idea? Can you all tell me how to answer this question? For those take and maths, I think you're quite common with this. But for those that take modern maths only, you might struggle a bit. That's why I say if you just take modern maths, you might struggle a bit. Okay, I think yes, correct. You substitute the matrix accordingly, correct? Yes, answer in the bracket first. Yes. Okay. So that's the one I want to tell. You must solve the one in the bracket first. Okay. Priority is bracket. Then only you go to the one outside the bracket. So bracket number one, the rest of the things number two. So that is what the examiner must see. If you simply solve one shot everything, means that you're not applying the law already. Kamu dah langgar undang-undang. So what happened, guys? If you langgar undang-undang, what happened? In our country, yes, you go to jail. In this case, you lose all the marks lah. Kamu hilang semua markah, kosong terus. Okay, so that is the meaning over here. You must follow the law. Okay, so basically how to do this question is you are suddenly bringing Tamil movie already. Okay, so now you can choose to show from left hand side or also from right hand side. For those that take admats, you know what I mean lah. You can choose which side you want to prove. Okay, so let's say I want to start from the left hand side, okay, which is this one. So guys, you must maintain the bracket, okay, so that you know which is the priority. Okay, so 9, 2, 6, 11, you can use the curly bracket for your matrix. Okay, so negative 7, 22, 3, 4, and then you close the big bracket plus with G. Okay, guys, first step. Do you all understand me? What I'm doing? I start from the left hand side so that I can get my answer to what they show on the right hand side. So that is the concept I'm using. Okay, so we have to continue to solve until we get the answer. Okay, so next step basically is your normal matrix. So 9 minus 7, 6 plus 22, 2 plus 3, and 11 plus 4. Okay, and then you plus with negative 1, negative 8, 10, 5. Okay, now you can solve it already. So you will get 2 minus 1, and then 28 plus 10, and then 5 minus 8, and then 15 plus 5. Okay, so final answer, if the number negative, it means, yes, it means minus, correct. Okay, be careful of the signs in this chapter, guys. Symbol tu penting, because if you silap symbol, gone already. Okay, so this is the final answer. So guys, this is how I solve from the left hand side. So guys, now let us try to show from the right hand side. We want to see whether can get the same answer or not. Okay, so now let's say I want to try right hand side. So right hand side, you copy the E, and then you plus with F and G. You can do like this also in the exam. Okay, and then plus with negative 1, negative 8, 10, 5. Okay, so now you have to solve in the bracket first. Make sure don't touch anything here, guys. 9, 2, 6, 11, you must maintain, because we have to solve inside the bracket first. Okay, the big square bracket. So you will get negative 8, and then negative 5, and then 32, and then 9. Okay, guys, just curious lah. Who has the habit of still pressing calculator? Let's say 3 minus 8. Siapa masih tekan calculator? Tak boleh selesaikan dalam otak. Angkat tangan. Who have the habit of pressing the calculator? So this is the part, right, guys, where you can actually try to save some time. If you can try to solve it mentally, I will suggest it's better lah, because you can speed up your process to solve the question. Okay, something as simple as 3 minus 8, you should know is negative 5 lah. No need to press calculator to confirm some more. You must be confident of your answer. Okay, next time I ask 1 plus 1 is what? Don't tell me 1 plus 1, you're going to use calculator also. Okay, 1 plus 1 is 2, you should know already. 11 means I tampak your muka straight. Okay, sorry. Okay, but you must know it's 2. Alright? So now, when you solve this, you see I never use calculator, guys. I direct think in my mind and write out the answer only. I promise I never press calculator when I teaching all this. Okay, I direct, look and solve only. Okay, so then you will get final answer like this. Okay, so guys, compare and see. Cuba bandingkan dua jawapan. Adakah mereka sama? Yes. So means that that one is a higher level of it still. Okay. So guys, this is how you can do it. Okay. So are you clear, guys, for this question? How to show? So this is one of the proving question. You just show left hand side, same as the right hand side. Okay. So next one, number 10. Okay, still in the revision part. Okay, so yes, you want a copy, is it, Warren? Oh, okay. Okay, okay. So next one. So now the question is count the matrix X. Okay, guys. So what is the concept here? How to do it? What will be your idea to get your X? This one also involves the combination of plus and minus in one question, the matrix. So you must solve one shot. So anyone? How are we going to solve this kind of question? How to get this X? One simple step only. Satu langkah yang mudah. Yes, move everything to the back. Correct. Okay, so basically, this one you move here, this one you move here. Yes, you leave the X alone. Very good. Okay, if you all cannot imagine, let's say saya tukar soalan kat kamu. Okay, now the question become like this. So guys, you can solve this, right? Am I right, guys? Kalau saya tanya soalan ni, cari X, kamu dapat selesaikan. Okay? Tiba-tiba saya keluar soalan macam ni, kamu tak boleh. Okay? Actually, it's the same thing only. Exactly the same. Hanya dalam soalan is in matrix form. This one is in algebra form. But the concept is exactly the same. Okay? You pindah everything here so that you can find your X. Okay? So don't get scared when you see matrix. Okay? Just treat it like algebra only. Okay? So now, you copy, never mind, I pindahkan terus. So negative 2x equals to 38. Okay guys, this one, when I pindah, does it become plus or minus? Can you all tell me? What will you get? Bila saya pindah seluruh yang tu. Yes, okay, you must put minus 5 and then 2, 1. Okay, make sure you change the sign. Okay, how about these guys? If I pindah, what sign should I put? Yes, minus also. Yes, so this is how you write it. Okay, so then you can direct solve already. Okay guys, can you all tell me first number, what will it be? Don't press calculator. Try to do mentally so that it train your mind to solve faster. So what is my first number? Come on guys. What will be the number here? Eh? Wait, are you sure guys? 13. See carefully. How you all get 13? Guys, minus 10 plus 10. Minus 10 plus 10 sudah potong guys. Already gone. So guys, you left with 3 only. Do you all get it? How come suddenly you all say negative 7? Yeah, I'm correct, right? Saya tak buat silap kan? Okay, minus 10 plus 10, right? So cancel off lah. Okay, so that's why you left with 3. Okay, so the next number, can you all tell me what is the answer? Second number. Okay. Eh? Are you sure it's 6? See carefully the sign. Bukan 15. Guys, what happened to your plus minus? Sudah karat ke? Guys, 8 minus 5 times 1. So minus 5. Minus 9. So 8 minus 5 minus 9. You will get negative 6. Understand? You must understand guys, these two are separate elements, Dia adalah elemen yang berasingan, bukan satu nombor, kamu kena ingat. Okay? They are separate element. Understand guys? Okay, so means that you take 8 minus 5 minus 9. So you will get negative 6. Okay, so that's why I say you all must be careful in this chapter, because senang nak buat silap because of the signs. Okay. Yes, can you expand first as a separate step also can, but this one I do one shot lah. Okay, so that I cut down on the step. Okay, so guys, so based on this, can you all tell me your final answer for X based on what I write? Yes, you divide. So what are the two elements you get? Okay, correct. Next one. Okay. Yes. Okay, is 3. Okay, not 13 Naufal, 3. 6 bahagi 2. Kamu dapat 3. Okay, konsep dia macam ni. Negatif 6 kamu kena bahagi dengan negatif 2. Macam algebra biasa. So you will get 3. Oh, okay, tak apa. Okay, so this is how we solve for the question here. Okay, so yeah, ini cara kita nak buat number 10. Okay, so number 11, another application question for you all. Okay, so guys, try to guess and see. For this question, what is the shape of the matrix you will use here? Can you all tell me? Apa peringkat matrix? What is the order of the matrix over here? Okay, very good. The answer is 2 times 2 matrix, because again 2 row 2 column. So guys, can you see the pattern already? This chapter, right, they like to test you all on 2 times 2 matrix. Do you all notice it already? Okay, harap kamu peka lah. Mereka suka tanya 2 kali 2. Sebab yang ni paling basic. Kena tahu 2 times 2 matrix. Okay, nanti kamu akan selesaikan persamaan serentak, kamu akan guna ni banyak. Okay, you must know how to solve the 2 times 2 simultaneous equation. Okay, in matrix form. Okay, so now, okay, so basically, the first table show the beginning. Okay, this is the beginning. Okay, and then the next one is shows the sales. Okay, so I think this one is the sales. Okay, how much dia jual lah, berapa yang dijual. Okay, in other words, berapa yang dijual. Okay, so the question is calculate the closing inventory. Okay, maybe some of y'all don't understand this, never mind. Okay, so basically the question asks you how many remaining. Okay, berapa yang tinggal. So guys, what operation is involved here? Can y'all tell me? Saya kena guna simbol apa berdasarkan soalan. Asal ada sesuatu yang dijual, saya nak kira berapa yang tinggal. Yes. Okay, you use the minus symbol. Correct. Okay, so basically you just minus the 2 matrix only, you will get the answer. Okay, so you can write 2 times 2 matrix. Okay, 2 kali 2 punya matrix. Okay, so basically you got 85, 110, because they say closing inventory. Okay, closing inventory means how much you left. Okay, this one is your starting. This one is how much sold. So your ending will be minus lah. You just take both and minus each other. The question look hard, but actually it's very simple only. Okay, it's just the application part only. Okay, so you just solve this. You will get final answer 52, 68, 46, 58. Okay, guys, understand? Things should be no problem this one. Okay, so next one. We studied this last week also to determine whether the matrix can be multiplied or not. So can you all try and see? The answer is yes and no only. Okay, so guys, okay, never mind. Now is the time to revise. Okay, so first question, 2 times 2, can we multiply with 2 times 2? Okay, first one can. So slowly, wait. I explain for those that forget. Okay, so how to know is, you see the number in the middle is the same. So means that you can multiply. Okay, so how about the second one, guys? Can we multiply? Cannot lah, because the remaining here are not Tamil, sorry, not Indian people, so I need to follow majority. Okay. Oh, this one want to kena for me lah. No people German here, you want me to speak German? Wah, terlebih already this one. Okay. So guys, can we do the second one? Yes or no? 0 times 0 with 0 times 0. Okay, how about the rest beside Haida? Do you think we can multiply or not for the second case? I cannot. I can speak French only if you want lah. Okay, so 0 times 0, 0 times 0. Okay, so guys, as long as the number in the middle is the same, although it's 0, you can still multiply together. This is the concept. Okay, so how about number 3? Can we multiply, guys, for number 3? Yes or no? Very good. Okay, no. So basically 1 times 1, 2 times 1. Wait, 2 times 1. The two numbers here, not same. So cannot. Okay, the concept as simple as that only. Okay, how about number 4, guys? Can or cannot? Very good. Cannot also. 1 times 2, 1 times 1 still cannot. Okay, so 1 times 2, 1 times 1. The number is still not same. So this one also not same. So cannot. Okay, so now fifth one. Fifth one can or not? Yes, very good. Because the number in the middle is the same. Okay. Anyone feel the exercises too easy here? Angkat tangan. Siapa rasa sangat senang? Wah, ada juga. Wah, confident y'all. Okay. But never mind, I do slowly so that the average one can also understand. Okay, I must go slowly. Okay, so 6-1. Can or not? Always remember, guys, practice makes perfect one. Okay, even very smart, also practice make perfect. We keep on practice, you will get better one, trust me. Okay, 2 times 3 and then 2 times 2. Okay, so you will have not same, so cannot. I'm trying to drill the concept to you to check the number in between so that you all don't forget. Okay, so now let's say I change the question type. How about number 7? Can we multiply or not these two matrices? Can or not, guys? Eh? Why tiba-tiba cannot? See carefully, guys. This time I never write the order for you. You must determine the order and determine whether you can multiply or not. Yes, the answer is actually can. So guys, can you all tell me? Matrix A, what is the order? Apa peringkat matrix? Okay. How about number B? What is the order? Don't confuse. That's why I say you see that the number in the middle is actually the same. So that's how I trick you all lah. Okay, I just simply change the question like that. Okay, so 2 times 2, 2 times 1. I don't know what language you're talking. Okay, so basically, the number here is the same. So you can multiply. This guy gonna kena for me, Adi. Okay, next one. Can or not? Oh, really? I didn't know. Okay, the last one we cannot multiply because the first matrix, matrix A, is 1 times 3. The second matrix is 2 times 1. Okay, so the number in the middle is not the same. So that's why we cannot multiply each other. Okay, guys, are you all clear how to determine whether can multiply or cannot multiply? These are the 8 examples for you to try. Okay, okay, can you see slowly? Guys, do you feel like recap the lesson like this help you all? Just want to know your opinion lah. Because basically we ulang last week lesson again, but I feel like recap is important, correct? So that you all can refresh on what you learned rather than continuing faster lah. I feel like that. I'm not sure, but okay lah. If you feel like it's correct, then we continue lah. Okay. Okay. So next one. Now, instead of determine whether we can multiply or not, I want you all to tell me what will be the order of the matrix for the product. So guys, first example, can you all tell me your product, what will be the order? Okay, can. Okay, how you get 3 suddenly? Okay, soalan pertama. Yeah, you should get 2 times 1. Okay, so basically 2 times 2 with 2 times 1, the number in the middle and the number at the back will be your product. So your product should have an order of 2 times 1. Okay, number 2, guys, can you tell what will be your product order? Huh? Number 2, Hakim. Yes, 2 times 2. Jangan silap baca soalan. Okay, see carefully. Number 2 is 2 times 3 with 3 times 2. So you should get your answer as 2 times 2. Okay, number 2. Can you see the question over here, number 2? This one? My own question lah. Yeah, I create the question 1. You cannot find anywhere, trust me. Okay, so now number 3. Can you all tell me what is the order for the product? Hey, careful. Huh? Where got 3 times 1? What's the answer, guys? Number 3. Product, what you will get? You should get 1 times 1. Correct? Because 1 times 3. Hey, don't simply tikam, guys. You wait. 1 times 3 with 3 times 1, your product will have 1 times 1. Okay, you take the front number, multiply with the back number. So that's how you get the order for matrix. Okay, remember it. Alright. So next one, number 4. What will be your answer for the product? Yes, correct. Okay, A times A. So A times B, I times with B times A, you will get A times A, your product. Okay, don't tell me A square, guys. A square is wrong answer. A kuasa 2 bukan jawapan dia because we got only one matrix. So the matrix is A times A, the order. Okay, so next one. Number 5. What will be the order for your answer? Order of matrix. Very good. 0 times 0. Correct. You never get wrong there. Okay, so basically same concept again. Front number multiply with back number. So you will get 0 times 0. Okay, number 6. Nothing. We still continuing the same thing. Okay, so number 6, guys. What will be the order for your product? Without I tell you the order now, you must tell me what will be your peringkat matrix. Okay, very good. 2 times 1 is the final answer. Okay, because the first one is 2 times 2, the second one is 2 times 1. So 2 times 2, 2 times 1. Ambil nombor kat depan, kali nombor kat belakang. So 2 times 1. Okay, so next one. Number 7. Can you all tell me what is the order for your product if like this? Bukan 3 kali 1. Yes, so the answer is you should get 3 times 3. Okay, so 3 times 1, you multiply with 1 times 3. Final answer, you take the number at the back and the number at the front, you will get 3 times 3. Okay, last one. What will be your answer, guys, for the order of the product? This one challenging. Okay, the jawapan dia adalah 1 kali 1 because your first matrix is 1 times 1. The second matrix is also 1 times 1. So your final answer product should be a 1 times 1 matrix. Okay, guys? Understand, huh? These are the 8 examples for you to determine the matrix. Okay, so for this, we already revised everything we learned last week already. Okay, so do you all understand all the things on last week lesson? So now we enter today's lesson. Okay, I don't understand. Please type in English. Okay, so now we will learn on the matrix multiplication. Okay, never mind. Now we learn in deep about this chapter. Okay, so basically all of those you learned just now is your basic lah. Okay, so now we enter the proper part. Okay, guys. Now, first thing we focus on is how to multiply the 2 times 2 matrix together with the 2 times 2 matrix. Okay, I think you all learned this already, right, in school. Okay, should be. So let's say I have a matrix A. The soalan give you like this. Okay, and then I got a matrix B. So now the question is calculate AB. So how do we solve this? So I will teach you now, okay, because I never teach so far this one. Okay, so now you copy back. Okay, slowly. I must show step by step because it's a bit complicated, this one. Okay, so basically, first question, what will be the order for your product, guys? Before you start multiply anything, what will you expect your answer to be? What is the order for your matrix? Very good. So you should get 2 times 2 final answer because both of these are 2 times 2 matrix. Okay, so now how do we do it? Okay, look carefully, guys. This one important. A lot of people confuse here. Okay, so pay attention. So this one, multiply with this first. Okay, first element, multiply with the first element of the second bracket. So it's like this. So you will have 2 multiply with 6. Okay, not yet finished. You multiply these two. This is the second step. Okay, so 2 times 6 plus with 3 negative 2. Okay, I must make the bracket bigger a bit so that can write everything. Okay, so this is the first step that you all will know here. That you all should know here. Okay, so basically is you take the first row, first column, multiply with the first row, first column. Okay, the second element, you take the first row, second column. This is first row, right, guys? This one first row, this one second column. Wait, I use different color. Green. Okay, this is first row, second column. Okay, for the first matrix, you take the first row, second column, multiply with second row, first column for the second matrix. Okay, guys, until here, can you understand how I write this one? Can get it or not? Okay, I know. I teaching slowly. Okay, can so now the second one. Never mind, I just write first lah. 2, 6, and then plus 3, negative 2. Okay, so now the second one, how will be the pattern? Okay, so second one, basically, you're going to involve the number 2 again. But in this case, guys, do I times the 2 with 6 again if I want to get the answer for this one? Yes or no? Do I take 2 times 6? Okay, the answer is, yeah, tidak. You should actually take 2 times the next element, which is negative 7. Okay, you move it horizontally. This is how you go. 2 times 6 for the first part. So the second part should be 2 times negative 7. You follow the order only. Okay, you start with 2, means you start with 2 for everything. Okay, the second number only kamu ubah. Okay, so same thing. I start with 3, then I times with 1 pula. Tadi saya kali dengan negative 2. So I move horizontally, you times with 1. Same concept like what we did just now. Okay, so you will plus with, always in the middle is plus sign guys, bukan tolak. Selalunya tambah. Okay, so let me write first. Okay. Oh, I see a familiar name come already suddenly. Make me so happy see the name I missed for so long. If y'all wondering who is it, he can tell y'all lah. Huh? Since when? I mean, he's not physically in the account lah. I mean, but just now I saw one account join. That's why I suddenly terkejut a bit. Okay, so plus 3 times 1. Andy, how are you? Okay. Wow. For your information, Vortex King is actually my batch 06 student lah. So he suddenly come and join. I don't know why, but he's from batch 06. Okay. So guys, understand how to get it? I think so. So 2 negative 7 plus with 3 times 1. Until here guys, can you get it? Can you react like if understand for these two rows how I do the matrix? Okay, this is how we do it. You multiply like that. Okay, so now guys, if you understand, I want you all to predict what will be the matrix multiplication for the second row and first column. Oh, so you terkesan a bit already lah after I post that one. So anyone want to predict and see? Angela, you mean your final answer, is it? For the second row, first column. Okay, basically lah guys, you must choose the number below it. Okay, you must follow the order guys. So you start with number 1, it's okay. Then you times with the 6. Then plus with 5. You can see the pattern guys. Times negative 2. I will teach you all a very easy method to understand after I write out all of this. Okay, so that you can check it easily. Okay, and then the last one, you take 1 times with negative 7 plus with 5 times with 1. Okay guys, are you clear? If you're not clear, I'll explain some more. Don't worry. I know it's something new to all of you. Okay, so now I want to share with you all the tips. Okay, don't understand, never mind. You focus on the answer I write here. Okay, so guys, I want you all to notice something. Can you see that the number up and down is the same? Negative 7, negative 7, 1, 1, 6, 6, negative 2, negative 2. This is the thing you must make sure is same when you do your matrix multiplication. Then only you know whether your answer is correct or not. And also one more thing, if you focus on this part, 2, 1, 3, 5. Can you see the pattern? 2, 1, 3, 5. Where the 2, 1, 3, 5 come from? It come from your question here. Can you see guys? 2, 1, 3, 5. 2135. It repeat twice. So this is how you can check whether your matrix multiplication correct or not. So then you might ask, how about the 6, negative 2, 7, and 1? It comes from your second matrix. So that is why it is beside the 2 and 1. Does it make sense, guys? You can see that it quite makes sense one. Why it's like that? Okay, it's exactly side by side. 2, 1 followed by 6, 6. Okay, so you must follow the order like this. Okay guys, are you all clear? So basically, if you press calculator, you can check your answer also lah, if it's correct. Okay, so final answer. Andy, just curious, what you doing now lah? Since SPM is over, what you doing to pass your time? Okay, so final answer, 6, negative 4, negative 11, negative 2. Okay, so this is how you can solve the question. Oh, you already start working. Work as what? You're wasting time lah. At least find job also something nice. Wow, multiple work. Not bad. What field lah? Buying Lego Speed Champions. Okay, never mind. So guys, understand now? Everyone here? Do you all get it? How to solve 2 times 2? Minimize. Okay. Okay. So we try one more example, 2 times 2, to make sure you all really understand. Okay, we try this example. Because usually, right, guys, among all the matrix multiplication, right, 2 times 2 is the most important you should know. Okay. So guys, let's say I got matrix L now, and the matrix is like this. Huh? I thought you say you're doing multiple job, so you should be out of the house, right? So the question is find L square. Oh, okay, understand. Yeah, true also. Okay, guys. So L square. L square mean what? Means that we do L 2 times. Correct? So it's something like this. So guys, try to predict and see. Can you all tell me your first line? If you understand what I told just now, what will be your first line? Or if you can, you tell me the answer for your first element in the first row and first column, just to check and see whether you get the method or not. What will be your first row, first column element? Anyone? What is your multiple work, Andy? Can describe a bit more detail. So anyone? First row, first column element? Can you all tell? What will be the answer? If you don't know how to find, tell me in the chat box. Kalau tak boleh buat, I can teach again. No problem. Okay, one more time, guys. I show to you all. Okay, wait, people got tell the answer already. Let me see. Okay, 16. Angela, negative 4 is for. Wait, negative 4 is for what? Got only one answer, guys. I don't want the other answers. Only the first row, first column. So correct. It should be 16. Okay. So basically, how you do it? You will take negative 4 times negative 4 plus 2 times 0. So 2 times 0 is 0. So negative 4 times negative 4, you get 16. Okay, correct. So second one. Can anyone tell me what will be the second element? Maybe Bowen. Try and see. First row, second column. What will be the element? This one. What will be this number here? Where you times these two matrix together. Okay, saya tak bagi jawapan lagi. No, no, no. I mean underline. I'm asking you to fill in the blank there at this side. What will be the number here? No. It shouldn't be 4. Huh? Andy? Wow. What happened to your SPM maths? Covered already, huh? Never mind. You finish SPM, I excuse you. Okay, no problem. Wrong also doesn't matter. Yes, I say correct. Okay, guys, the answer is negative 6. So revise. How to get negative 6? Negative 4 times 2, negative 8, plus 2 times 1. You must move to the right hand side, guys, when you do the timesing. The first number will maintain. Negative 4 maintain. And then the 2 also maintain. Can you see, guys? Negative 4, 2 plus 2, 1. Okay, maybe this one I write out so that you all can see better how I get the 16. Okay, it will be negative 4 plus 2 times 0. Okay, can you see the pattern, guys? Negative 4 and 2 maintain. The number in the bracket only keep on changing. Okay, so next one. We try this one. What will be this element? Can you all tell me? This one. Second row, first column. It's okay lah. If you rusty now, no problem. Finish SPM already. I thought you all enough already. See guys, people finish SPM how many months? 2 months. Still get the correct answer. So now you know the quality how I teach last time. Okay, 0, correct. Okay, so the answer is 0. So 0, negative 4 plus 1, 0. So the answer is 0. You must understand how to get 0. Don't just tell like answer 0. You must know the working. Okay, so guys, can you notice negative 4, negative 4, same. 0, 0, same. So this is how I check whether my multiplication correct or wrong. And then second part I check this one. Negative 4, 0, 2, 1. Negative 4, 0, 2, 1. Correct. So this is how I check. The pattern has to be the same. Okay. So next one, the last element on the right hand side. What will be the last element? Okay, very good. The answer is 1. Okay, so how to get 1? 0 you times with 2, 0 plus with 1 times 1. So your answer in the end is 1 only lah. Okay, so this one is 0, 2 plus 1 times 1. Close the bracket. Okay, so final answer, you can solve and see. More. Okay, maybe one more lah. I show you all. Okay, so final answer, this one will be 16, 0, negative 6, 1. Okay, before that, one more question. I want to ask one thing. So guys, just now question, right? I ask you to solve AB, you get this answer. Correct? Guys, let's say now I reverse the question. I ask you to find BA. What will be the answer? What do you all think? Yes. Okay. Wait, let me see carefully. Because certain case, it might not be the same. Let me just check one time. Okay, you should get in this case not the same. Okay, not the same. So guys, careful. Quick question. Okay, don't just think I reverse the order, it'll be the same. Okay, it's not the same. You can try and see. Okay, you try to check. One element is enough. 6 times 2, 12. 12 plus negative 7. Negative 7 times 1, negative 7. So you will get a 5. 12 minus 7 is 5. So it means that this one I get 6. So it's not correct already. It's not the same. Okay, guys? So careful now. Maybe they want to trick you all with this. So make sure you all count first and check. Okay, whether you get same answer or not. Okay? But guys, let's say I show you this case on the bottom here. L square. L square, no matter how I arrange, it is still L. So L, no matter how you times, you still will get the same answer. So it doesn't matter which one you do first because they are the same thing. Okay, guys? Are you clear? So we try one more question on that 2 times 2 matrix. Okay, so that you all are clear. Okay, so let me find 2 times 2. Okay, we try this question, last one. Problem solving. So let's say the question come like this to you. The question is, cari nilai R dan nilai S. Okay guys, so how do I solve this? Should I start with the left hand side or right hand side first? Can I ask you all? Which one should I start first? LHS or RHS? Which one? Anyone? Kat mana saya kena mula dulu? Which one should I start first? Yes, correct. Jangan mengantuk guys. I know you all tired. Okay, don't worry. I'll end soon. Okay, so now Again, revise one more time how to do the matrix multiplication. 9 times 4. Okay, you will get 36. Plus with R times 6. Okay, I repeat the pattern so that you all cepat nak ingat. Okay, this is the first one. Okay, second one, I use different color. 9 times S. You move to the right hand side. Plus R times 1. Move to the right hand side. Okay, so this is your second element. Sorry, 9S plus R times 1. Okay, so third one, 5 times 4 plus negative 2 times 6. So you will get this one. Okay, and then last one, 5 times S plus negative 2 times 1. Okay, guys, are you all clear how I do this? Can follow the pattern? It's all about pattern, guys. This solving, right? Everything is about pattern. If you understand the pattern, you can solve it already. How you understand the pattern is you do multiple example practice. If you practice many times, the 2 times 2 matrix, you will get it. Trust me. Okay, guys? So, if you solve this one, you can just solve simultaneous equation. Okay, so this one 8, 9s plus r, 5s minus 2. Okay, so equal to 15, 8, 14.5, 8. So guys, how I know whether I'm doing correctly or not, the question. Just check one element. Guys, can you see that 8 and 8 match? Okay, the number actually match with each other. Means that my matrix multiplication is correct already. Sudah betul. Kalau tak sama, means got some problem. This is one way you can check. Okay, 3 times 3 not so common, Bowen. Even textbook don't do 3 times 3 because it's very confusing. It's a big matrix. So they usually don't ask in exam. Okay, for the multiplication part, addition, subtraction, they can ask, but not multiplication. Okay, so now how to solve? Basically, you just compare 36 plus 6r, compare with the 15. So you solve and see, you will get negative 22. So r you will get final answer negative. Okay, Satna, you should get negative 11 over 3. Okay, final answer r. Okay, I think I do correct, right? Yeah, correct. Okay, so next one, kamu kena cari S. So S is, you compare these two. This one, compare with this one. So 5S minus 2 equal to 8. 5S equal to 10. S is equal to 2. Settle. Okay, guys, are you clear with the lesson today? Can get it? How to do the 2 times 2 matrix? You all need more practice only, then you can do it. Okay, because every single question, the method maintain the same. Only the number they will change over here. Nothing else. Okay, so clear, guys? Oh, Andy also give thumbs up. Okay, so for those that anyone first time join the class, siapa kat sini baru join first time? Anyone? All of this. You don't say, Andy. Angela, no need to lie. I know you joined long time already. Okay, so I think none lah. So those who have friend can share my class also. Okay, if you find like it's beneficial. Okay, and then this is my YouTube channel as always. Okay. Andy, later when SPM result keluar, tell me, you must share to all your friends. Remember, you gave me the promise few months back. Okay. So yeah, any other question, guys?